Another day, another learning. In grade 1 Apple, I am teacher Menchi. And before I proceed to our lesson, let's start with a stand up and feel the presence of Lord.
Panginoon, salamat po sa panibagong araw na ito upang kami ay matuto. Buksan niyo po ang aming isipan upang lubos na maintindihan ang aming mga aralin. Bigyan niyo din po ang aming mga guro, mga magulang, at mga kamag-aral ng lakas ng katawan at isipan na masigit naming kailangan sa araw-araw sa panahong ito. Ang lahat po ng ito ay aming dinadalangin sa iyo, aming Diyos Ama. Amen.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Who is absent for today?
None, teacher.
That is good to hear. Okay, class, I have song here and let's sing along.
Ping pong. Tiggy tiggy ticky tick a tock. Tiggy tiggy ticky tick a tock. Tiggy tiggy ticky tick a tock. What time is it? Tock. 1 o'clock.
2 o'clock,
3 o'clock. Tick tock. 4 o'clock. 5 o'clock.
6 o'clock,
Tick tock.
7 o'clock,
8 o'clock.
9 o'clock,
Tick tock.
10 o'clock,
11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, tick tock, tiggy tiggy ticky tick a tock, tiggy tiggy ticky tick a tock, tiggy tiggy ticky tick a tock. What time is it? Faster! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, tick tock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, tick tock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, tick tock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, tick tock.
Okay, class, kung sa narinig nyo, we have a question here. What is the title of the song? Yung sa ating pinanood, base.
It's about telling time, teacher.
Okay, class. Yes, that is it's telling time. And next question, what did you see?
It's time, teacher.
Oh, it's all about time. Yes, it's all about time. And now, let's proceed to our discussion. Okay, class, may idea na ba kayo sa ating lesson? What is our topic for today? Our topic for today is
It's about time, teacher.
very good. Okay. Anyone? What is our topic?
It's time and number, teacher.
Oh, lahat kayo ay tama. Ang ating topic for today is about time. Okay, class. I have question here. Anyone can be volunteer?
Teacher,
Yes,
teacher.
Alice. You want volunteer? Okay. Here are some question for you. What do you think time is? And why is it important?
Time is important because it helps us in our lives.
Okay, Alex, it's very good. And class, give a 3 claps for Alex. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now sit down, Alex. Thank you for cooperation. What is time? Ano nga ba ang time? Time is, isipin natin kung time. Time, ito yung oras na kung ano, oras na ba talaga, kung ito ay umaga na, tanghali na, o gabi. Doon natin matutukoy sa oras kung umaga pa ba o hapon na. Kaya ating alamin ang what is time. Ito ay example ng clock. Ito naman ang nakikita natin sa ating mga bahay. Ang clock natin sa loob ng ating bahay. May malaki, may maliit. This is minute hand and this is hour hand. Minute hand, it is a long hand. And hour hand, it is a short hand. When the minute hand is pointing at 12, it shows a full hour and we can call it o'clock. Sabihin nga ng mga bata, o'clock.
O'clock.
Tama, very good. And what is time is it? Mga bata, samahan niyo ako magbilang sa ating clock. Let's go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 9 o'clock. When the minute hand is on the right side of the clock, and we can say is it past. In 15 minutes, you can say it quarter past. Or it's a 15 past. When the minute hand is on the left side of the clock, we say it 2. You can say it 22. Mga bata, bilangin nga natin kung saan nakatapat ang arrow. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 o'clock. What time is it? Okay, 4 o'clock, tama. And next is 1, 2. It's a 2. Bibilang ulit tayo ng 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Ang oras ay 2:30.
2:30.
Tama, it's 2:30. And this one is, bilang tayo ulit ha, mga bata. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Ang oras ay 8:30. Time is it? It's half past or it's 8:30. That's correct. Alin man sa dalawa. Ating gagawin dito, magbibilang ulit tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. And next is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Ang oras ay 5:45. What's the time? It is a 5:45. Or it's 5:45. And how about this? Tayo ulit ay magbibilang. And next, what time is it? Anyone? Yes.
It's 6:50, teacher.
It's 6:50, yes. Or it's 10:07. And how about this? O, bilang ulit tayo mga bata. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ulit, tayo ay bibilang ng 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Ang oras ay 9:55. Tama! What time is it?
9:55 po, teacher.
Yes, it's 9:55. And look at the clock in the room. What time is it? Anyone?
5 o'clock po,
Yes.
teacher.
It's 5 o'clock. Okay, class. I have a question. Kung may natutunan nga ba kayo? What do we use in telling time? Okay, anyone? Oh, okay.
It's clock or watch, teacher.
Oh, that's correct. And next question is, what are the parts of the clock? Any? O sige.
Dial, hands, hour, minute, second, numbers, teacher.
Next question, what do we call the hand of the clock?
Hour hand, minute hand, teacher.
And next question, how do we tell time?
Reading the positions of the hour and minute hands on the
Okay,
clock,
that's correct.
teacher.
And for the last question, why is it important? How to tell time?
It's important for daily activities, communication, and
Yes,
learning.
that is
teacher.
correct. Give sa mga nakasagot, give a 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 claps for our activity. And this nandyan sa inyong mga table ay draw a line to match each time to each written time. Okay ba? Naintindihan pa ang ating
Yes
instruction?
po, teacher.
Okay, that's good. Second activity, group into 2 and play a race game. Use analog coders in your table. You can use it. Next, our quiz. What's the time, right? And the time show on the analog clock. That's it, your quiz for today. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.
And that is our end of for today. See you in tomorrow.